Your DNA is not a life sentence, it's an operating system, and your daily habits are the programmer. Right now, you're either upgrading your genes or corrupting them. Most people live in fear of genetic destiny, believing they're hard coded for disease, aging, and decline. That belief is the victimhood glitch. In reality, your DNA is a library of roughly 20,000 instructions, but your environment is the librarian. Your food, sleep, stress, light exposure, and movement determine which genetic programs are activated and which are silenced. At BioBlueprint AI, we call this epigenetic programming, and it is the closest thing humans have to admin access for biological source code. Here's the core concept. DNA is the hardware, the epigenome is the software. Through processes like DNA methylation and histone modification, your body places chemical tags on genes. These tags act like dimmer switches. They can turn survival programs up. They can turn inflammation programs down. They can accelerate aging or slow it. You are not just a product of your ancestors, you are a real-time reflection of your inputs. Every meal, every breath, every night of sleep, every stress spike, every thought loop. Each one is a line of code being written into your genetic expression. So how do you reset the system? You implement the Epigenetic Reset, 4 programming overrides. First, methyl donor loading. Support your system with B vitamins, folate, and choline. These are the raw materials your body uses to place epigenetic tags and stabilize expression. Without them, your code becomes noisy and inconsistent. Second, hormetic stress compiling. Brief bursts of controlled heat or cold act like a system stress test. They force the body to activate protective pathways, including longevity-related gene networks that remain dormant under comfort conditions. Third, the polyphenol override. Compounds like resveratrol and quercetin can act as signaling molecules that support cellular repair pathways and DNA stability. Think of them as biological permission keys. Fourth, signal purging. Eliminate biological noise, chronic stress, sleep deprivation, and processed toxins. These inputs drive chaotic gene signaling and accelerate premature system aging. The takeaway is simple. Stop blaming your ancestors and start optimizing your inputs. You are not your genes, you are your expression. Subscribe to BioBlueprint AI to unlock the full technical manual for your human machine. Because the most powerful code you'll ever write is your own. But writing code is useless if your communication network is down. In the next protocol, we move from DNA source code to the master neural cable that connects your brain to every organ in your body. Get ready for Protocol 5, the vagus nerve reset.